Hi, it's Jessica Cemerato from CEPro here with Leann Meachum, Product Manager of Low Voltage Cable at Honeywell. Now Leann, tell me about some of the latest technologies at Honeywell Cable.
Well, we're very excited to officially release WaveFlex, which is our newest patent-pending jacket technology. WaveFlex is actually a design that was developed by our engineers, and it was designed with the dealer in mind. Honeywell's had a long history of product improvements based on listening to and understanding customer needs, and WaveFlex is a testament to that.
And how does this product benefit the dealers?
Well, dealers want their jobs to be fast and easy. They don't want to spend a lot of time terminating cables, and they don't want to spend a lot of time worrying about damaging cables. And WaveFlex gives them all of those and really answers to those needs. It's extremely flexible. It's proven to be much more flexible in cables that tend to be stiff, and it terminates extremely quick, much more quick than other cables we've seen in the market. And in our tests, we've seen that that's done really well. So in the end, WaveFlex is a win-win for our dealers. They can move on the next job more quickly and save a lot of money.
Are there any other ways this is different than other cable jacketing?
It's a lot of cable manufacturers and low voltage cable do a PVC insulation, PVC jacket. They can tend to have sticking problems with that and have to use certain materials that keep that sticking from happening. And that sticking can cause installers a lot of problems. So WaveFlex really keeps that from happening. It allows us to keep that sticking from happening, making the stripping of the cable and termination of the cable much quicker, and allows us to use a lot less materials, which could probably be a little more environmentally friendly, but in the end, gives dealers what they need.
Well, thank you very much, Leann. And now for more, let's go to Brian Casey, General Manager of Honeywell. Okay, Brian, let's talk about why cable is so important and the backbone of every installation.
Okay. At Honeywell, we recognize that nobody buys cable for the purposes of buying cable. They buy cable because they're doing a job, they've got an installation, they've got some sort of foundation that they're creating for their customer. So, if we look at the wire wall behind us here, you can see how the cable is embedded in the walls. So if the cable is difficult to install, or if it doesn't work, or if it has quality issues down the road, it becomes a very expensive proposition to fix that problem, unlike fixing a component or something else. So our mission is to make sure that we have the highest quality products, things that are going to fit exactly the application requirements for every job, and that once it's installed and tested, that it's going to work forever and the customer's never going to have to worry about it, the dealer and the contractor is never going to have to worry about having to service that product.
Is there anything else that you want us to know?
Just that we've introduced a number of new products. We're continuing to innovate in the low voltage wire technology area, which has not seen a lot of innovation in the last several years. And I welcome folks to stop by our booth and see what's going on.
Thank you very much, Brian. From the Honeywell booth, I'm Jessica Cemerato for CEPro.